third graders, it's Miss Peterson. Happy Tuesday. Today we are going to talk a little bit about some review of prepositions, and then I'm actually going to share with you a fun writing assignment that you're going to complete in your composition notebook. So let's go ahead and do some review on prepositions. Just give me 1 second. I wanted to do a review because you guys did so well with your stories that I wanted to make sure that we remember what prepositions tell us. Now, if we were in in-person class, this would also happen. Okay, so when we talk about prepositions show us 3 different things. The first one is location. The second one is, that's much better, direction. And then the third one is association. And we did this lesson with Mr. Bear. He looked like this. We know that with a preposition, I used this example, Mr. Bear, ate lunch by the lake. Here's our example sentence. We know that Mr. Bear wouldn't be a preposition because Mr. Bear is a person, place, or thing, so he's a noun. And then ate, we know, is a past tense verb. Lunch is a noun. And then by is showing us the location. So by would be the preposition. Let's go ahead and do another example. Maria went through the green light. Because when you drive, you're supposed to go through a green light. Now, Maria is a person, place, or thing. It's also Miss Peterson's first name. Maria wouldn't be a preposition because it's a noun. Went is a past tense verb. And then through shows us the direction through the green light. So this would be the preposition here. Let's do another example. We can say Bob is teaching reading with me. Bob is a person, place, or thing, so that wouldn't be a preposition. Is would not. Teaching is a present tense verb, so is reading. And we know that with shows association because Bob is doing it with me. And I know that there were lots of different things where you could do a box on top. You could have someone, let me move that up a little bit. You could have someone below a box, in between a box. All of those, above, below, between, those are all prepositions. It shows us location, direction, and association. Here is the location by the lake. Maria went through the green light, that's the direction. And association is with me. Bob is teaching reading with me. Okay? For your writing assignment today, I will write it on the whiteboard here. You are going to first label it. This is your composition notebook now. Your label should look like this. Today's date is August 25th, 2020. And you are going to write a paragraph, since you guys are getting so good at that, about a place where you would like to visit. This can be anywhere. It could be a city, it could be a country, it could be a continent, anywhere. It's totally up to you guys. I want you to describe the place. What does it look like? What does it smell like? Are there trees? Are there mountains? And I want you to explain why you want to visit. Is it because there's good food? Is it because there's activities to do? Okay, now remember, a paragraph is 5 to 8 sentences. Now, this paragraph for sure could be 8 sentences because you have to explain why you want to visit, you have to describe the place, and you have to, you have to say where it is. Okay? Remember punctuation, capitalization, but also neat handwriting. Whoopsies. Okay? So that when you're done, your composition notebook will look like this. Okay? Write a paragraph about a place where you would like to visit one day. Describe the place and explain why you want to visit. Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Then you can write down. Okay? That's all you have to do for today. You do not have to turn anything in, but you can work on this once you're done watching the video. Have a good day, third graders.